Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases today we will discuss the case of Devendra Babulal Jain versus income tax officer. This case has been reported in 450 ITR at page number 520 and the matter has been decided by Gujarat High Court. The date of the judgment is 16th December 2022. This case is related to section 179 which says about the liability of directors of a private limited company. As all we know that whenever the demand is created for the company, earlier it was the perception of the people that the directors do not have the responsibility of the taxes of the company because company is a different entity and the directors are the different entity and there is a corporate wheel. And because of the limited word also it was the impression that the liability of the company is limited. But section 179 is very dangerous as far as the liability of the directors of the private limited company is concerned. Broadly, section 179 says that if the assessing officer is not able to recover the taxes from the company, then he can jump by following the procedure under section 179 to recover the tax from the directors. The procedure is that first of all it is necessary that the assessing officer should have taken all the necessary steps to recover the tax from the company, and then on the face of the section 179 notice it should be told by the assessing officer that the non-recovery of the tax is because of negligence of the directors, because of misfeasance or because of the breach of duty in respect to the activities of the company. But the foremost condition is that the assessing officer should have taken all the necessary steps to recover the taxes from the company. In this present case, the demand was created. The assessee has not deposited 20% of the tax for going into the CIT appeal as the CBDT instruction says, although it is not a authority of the law that at least the 20% should be deposited. The recovery notice was sent to the company and the bank account of the company was also attached. After that, the assessing officer issued show cause notice to the directors of the company by saying that section 179 should be invoked against you and consequently the order was passed. The assessee moved to the Gujarat High Court by saying that the non-payment of the taxes is not because of the breach of duty, negligence or misfeasance on the part of the directors relating to the affairs of the company. The court said that only because the recovery notice has been sent and the bank account of the company has been attached, it cannot be said that the department has taken all the appropriate steps to recover the tax from the company. The court also said that even in the notice under section 179, the assessing officer has not alleged that the non-recovery of the tax is due to the negligence, misfeasance or breach of the duty of the directors of the company in the non-payment of the taxes. So, the court directed to quash the proceedings under section 179 against the director in this particular case. But my takeaway in this case is that the people very loosely become the directors of the company. Sometimes it happens that because in a private limited company there are two directors which are minimum requirement of running a company, that the wife of some person, the wife of relative or the wife of a friend is made director into the company, or the brother is made director into the company. So in this case, if there is some tax liability on the company and the department is not able to recover the taxes from the company, then they can jump to the directors also. So once the proceedings have started, it becomes very cumbersome, it becomes very litigative on the part of the directors to prove that they were not in the misfeasance, breach of the duty or negligent as far as the affairs of the company. So this case is a very good takeaway for all those persons who become the directors for the just the namesake, or you can say for the feel good factor. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Devendra Babulal Jain versus Income Tax Officer, and this case has been reported in 450 ITR at page number 520. The date of the judgment is 16th December 2022 and the matter has been decided by Gujarat High Court. Thank you, friends.